In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a roster in BearPulse. I'm going to use my dummy course to show you how to do this. The process is the same regardless of whether you do this for a course or a group page. Starting in my class page, I'm going to click on the blue Manage button. This takes me to the Administrative's Controls page. In the left navigation, I'm going to click on Users, then select Manage Users from the drop-down menu. This brings up a table with a list of all the users in the group or the course, as well as their details. You can adjust which bits of information you see by clicking on the Configure Layout button and checking or unchecking boxes and clicking Apply. Once you're ready to export a list, click on the blue Actions button at the top right and select Export. A pop-up window appears, and you can select to export all data, which would mean every data point, or you can choose Visible Columns, which means just the fields you've selected to see in your user table using the Configure Layout button. Since I've already made the selections for which data I want to see right now, I'm going to select Visible Columns and click Export. This prompts a download of an Excel file, which I can open and view on my computer.